Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to solve a system of equations by elimination. So in today's video, you guys are going to be given a system of equations and you are going to be asked to do them or solve them by the method of elimination. We're going to be taking some clues on keynotes on how to do this method, and you guys are going to double check with the previous method, which was the method of substitution. Now, guys, it is very important that you guys remember that it doesn't really matter which method you use, graphing, equaling, Gauss-Jordan, elimination, or substitution. The method is not going to change your answers, right? It's just going to change the procedure in which you get to those same answers. Okay, guys, so let's begin. So in this case, you were given two equations. So y minus x is equal to 28 and y plus x is equal to 156. Now, in order to do that method of elimination, we're going to be taking a look at the steps here. So it says that you have to multiply one or both equations by a coefficient that will cancel one variable of your choosing when added. You have to repeat the other variable or substitute. Okay, so in this case, basically, when we have the method of elimination, you basically want to do exactly that. So you want to eliminate variables, right? So for example, let's say that you have 5x plus 2y is equal to a number like 100, and you have another one like 3x minus 7y is equal to 200. Let's say, right? So in this case, what you would do is that you choose one variable that you want to eliminate, right? So maybe you want to eliminate y or you want to eliminate x. You choose. If we wanted to eliminate x, what we usually do is that in order to eliminate it, we multiply this equation by 2, which is this coefficient, and this equation by minus 7, which is this coefficient, right? And if you can simplify them, then you do it. Now, remember guys, that if you want to eliminate it, right, you would multiply minus 7 by each term here and 2 by each term right here, right? And then you just add it. So let's take a look at the one we're given. So we're given y minus x is equal to 28 and y plus x is equal to 156. So in this case, as you can clearly see, minus x and plus 1x is actually already being able to be eliminated, because when we add these two equations, right? So we add y plus y, it will be 2y, and minus x plus x is 0, so it cancels each other. And then we have 28 plus 156, which is 184. Now, we know that 2y plus 0 is equal to 184, so we're going to do this. And now y is equal to 184 divided by 2, because the 2 that was multiplying is now dividing. And now that means that the answer of y is going to be 92. Okay, pretty easy and straightforward. Now, in order to find the other variable, what you're going to do is that you can either substitute on one of the original equation, right? So you can choose any of the two equations and you substitute the value you got for y, or you can repeat the same process of elimination, but in order to eliminate the other variable, right? So let's try doing the substitution on the original equation, right? So we have y minus x, which is the first one, is equal to 28. You can either choose the first one or the second one. So y minus x is equal to 28. So y, we got that was 92, minus x is equal to 28. So that 92 passes through the other side subtracting. So 28 minus 92 is equal to minus 64, and then we divide both by minus 1 because the x is being multiplied by minus 1. So x is equal to minus 64 divided by minus 1. So that is positive 64. And we have our answer. So x is equal to 64. Another thing we can do is do the same thing of elimination. So we have y minus x is equal to 28, which is the original one. And we have the other one here, right? Now, what we can do is that we can force the y's to cancel, right? So this y is positive and this y is also positive. So one of the two has to be negative in order for them to be able to cancel each other. So let's multiply the first one by negative 1. Now when you guys multiply the first one by negative 1, minus 1 times y is minus y, minus 1 times x is plus x, minus 1 times 28 is minus 28. And the second one stays the same, right? And then you just add them. So minus y plus y, 0, x plus x, 2x, and 156 minus 28 is going to be 128. Now, 2x is equal to 128, so x is equal to 128 divided by 2, and you guessed it, it's going to give you 64. So again, you're going to have the same answer. It doesn't matter if you substitute or you repeat again the process of elimination, right? The important thing is that you use this tool in order to verify your answers, which can come in very handy. So guys, that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!